Right, this is part 2 of the video. A little bit more research, look. It's got a van there, look. Scrappy stuff. Check all the vehicles, look. Vehicles parked there now, look. Everywhere. Look. So you've got a fridge. Oil. Engine there, look. Suspension there, look. This vehicle here, look. Not taxed. Car parts there, look. Seats, lights and all that. Water cars there, look. Engine. Wheels, doors. Two vehicles. Vehicle there. So just a lot. I mean, this is council owned. Yes, all council owned, look. Side bus, Sheffield, look. In Sheffield. Now my understanding, so I've got a wheelchair. Mistake of me last time. This house is a council house, look. Look at the mess there, look. This is a council house, this one is. Now this one, there's mistakes at the council house. This is a private house. It's a private house, look. It's all private. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. 7 vehicles on that one. It's a private house. It's a council house. Why the... See, is it classed as... Is it classed as... what's the word you're looking for? Classed as... Fly tipping. I mean, I know that vehicle there is not taxed. The mini's taxed. This vehicle here. Going to the what's the name of it? This, I think you can't pick anything on that one. This vehicle here. Not taxed. This vehicle here is not taxed. But if you look overall, council land, and look, you've got a house for sale there, look. Imagine buying that house and this is what you got to look out at. I mean, it's just ridiculous. So, is it fly tipping? And if you look in there, look. Look, the main engines, all sorts in here. It's a disgrace. Total disgrace. And the council are doing nothing about it. So thank you for watching the video, thank you.